Hey, good morning. It's Robin from Roaming with Rover. We've got another unboxing. This time it's from Mary Maxim. We haven't had a Mary Maxim box in a while. I tend to mostly get the pretty white packages from them, which I've got a stack of in the other room. So we will get to those. We will get to those. But right now, we're trying to get some of these boxes out of the middle of the living room. So here we go. Let's see what we got. This is a fairly big box. So, heavy. This one was heavy. Some of them are not so heavy. Some of them are heavier than others. Oh, we got kits. We got pretty kits. We got stuff. Oh, better save that. Looks like instructions for something. Packing list, maybe. It's funny, when they do their kits, they list out every single thing that's in the kit. So instead of just saying, hey, you got the kit for this, it's like you got the pattern and you got this yarn and this yarn and this yarn and this yarn. So it makes their packing lists very, very long. But we will do our best to muddle through with that. And we got a sale ad, which we don't need, more ads that we don't need, and more packing list. I'm seeing afghans. Funny. Okay, so first, let's just grab this one right off the top. Look at those colors. Oh, is that not gorgeous? 100% acrylic, machine wash and dry, number 4, rich red. That is almost a burgundy. That is beautiful. This is the Mary Maxim Best. This is their yarn. I've not actually used that before. It's a 6-ounce skein, 342 yards. So we've got a significant amount of yarn there. So let's see what we're making. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. It's called the Alyssa Throw. It's round. And you know how much I love those round throws. So this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Let's see here. The Alyssa Throw. Let's see if we can figure out how much this was. Rich red right off the top. $27. Not bad. Not bad at all. And it comes in there. Oh, there's a lot of pages here. Well, I suppose each row has a different. Oh, look at this. The center is round, but down here it looks square. So I think we're going from round to square. That'll be interesting. 47 by 52, so it's a nice size. And it is an H hook. 6 balls. Wow, there's a lot of words on this thing. Pages and pages and pages of words. I will make a copy of this so I can write all over it as I'm working on it. And then I will have still a new fresh copy to keep. So that should I decide to do it again, I am ready to go. So that is the Alyssa Throw. Very pretty. Love those colors. I don't remember if I had an option on colors or not on this. Let's put that up here. We'll put that on display in the back. All right, and now we have the Prism yarn, which I adore the Prism yarn. Super, super pretty. Lots of purples and grays. Purples and silvers, probably. And, oh, look at this. I think this is called West Winds. West Winds. Oh, Max, there's people working across the street out in the yard, so no, Max isn't here. Max, that's good. Good boy. This is a 3-weight yarn. Oh, gosh, that's pretty. Look at these colors. Max, that's enough. 100% acrylic, 290 yards, made in Turkey. Oh, yeah, this stuff is delicious. Hand wash in cool water, lay flat to dry. We've had this before. We've had this issue before where I'm not loving a hand-washed yarn for a blanket. I have to remember that when I'm looking at these because I don't love the idea of a hand wash. But, gosh, this is pretty. Oh, I love it. It reminds, called the Fanfare Throw. Reminds me of the virus blanket, doesn't it? Remind you of the virus shawl? Yeah, that is so pretty. And those colors are going to be stunning. 45 by 45. Royal Fanfare Throw. Let's see here. This was $25. Again, very nice. And with the Prism yarn, that's a good value. There's a lot of yarn in here too. 8, 9 of them maybe? 9? Yeah. Okay. The Prism yarn Fanfare Throw. Love that design. Well, and I'm sure it was the purple that caught my eye. Let's get this zipped up and put it on the shelf in the back. And, oh wait, there's more. Oh, one more. Past your nose, Sophie. Okay, Country Pathways Afghan. Yeah, that's gorgeous. And the colors, look at that. Oh yeah, that's pretty. This is the Mary Maxim Value yarn, which again, I'm not sure if I've used before. This is 48.5 by 60, so that's going to be a nice size. Okay. Basic. Nothing special, but not bad. No, not too bad. I would, 8 ounces, I would absolutely off. There's not enough room for you right now. Max is trying to get on the couch now, which is fine, except Joe's already on the couch and I'm on the couch and we've got all our stuff. So 8 ounces, 450 yards, machine wash and dryable, 4 weight, do not dry clean. Yeah, that's pretty. That is pretty, pretty, pretty color. This is called medium teal. I would agree with that. Medium teal, we've got white, teal and white, and if I were to guess, dark teal maybe? Ha, dark teal. So, these 3 colors, super pretty together. Yarn bouquet. Super pretty together. And, oh yeah, we're gonna learn some new stitches here. Look at that. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. 48.5 by 60, that's a nice size. 2, 4, 6 balls of yarn, eye hook. Nothing weird. Single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet. Repeat, slip, together, round, yarn over. Nothing we don't know how to do. It's just whatever combination they give us. Somebody told me, and because I get a little scared sometimes with these patterns, and they're like 1 stitch at a time. Everything you do is 1 stitch at a time, and that's all you have to worry about. I'm like, okay, now I gotta get this back together. Was it 3 on top and 3 on bottom? I think that's how it was. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so what was this called? Country Pathways Afghan. Okay, it's all zipped up. Let's see if we can find a price on that one. So far, we've got really good prices. There's the Alyssa. There's the Royal Fanfare. Country Pathways, 27. Okay, because we've got six things of yarn in there. And the zipper bag. And then we got the rich red. Teal, 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 pattern, pattern, pattern. So, I don't know why. Oh, it says it's on back order. Okay, so I need to make sure about this because got the Marcel afghan. Look at how beautiful that is. But it says it's on back order and that we will ship entire order as soon as it becomes available. It's weird that they sent the pattern without the rest of it. That's suspect. So I'm going to have to give these guys a call, or actually I'm going to have to wait till I open all my boxes because there's a chance that it's in one of the other boxes and I don't have a date on here. So I don't know exactly when I ordered this stuff. Hasn't been that long ago though, because I remember ordering it. No, with all this information, there's no date on here. Okay, so I'll have to check into that. So we'll set this aside. But that's it. 3 beautiful, beautiful kits. 3. 1, 2, 3. Take a look at these patterns again. I'm excited about this one. I'm excited about this one, except for that yarn being hand wash only. I just don't see why they do that. Although, I mean, how often do you wash your blankets? Yeah, my problem is I've got the monster dog laying on the blanket. So yeah, mine have to get washed more than normal. So maybe this is just one that goes on a chair that they don't get into. And some people would say, hey, keep your dogs off the furniture. Not happening here. And then we've got this. I love this color. It's almost a cranberry. It's just the richest, deepest cranberry color. Which one do you like the best? Oh my gosh, look at that. And it's much prettier than it's showing on the screen. Much, much prettier. Okay, tell me which one you like best. I would say which one should I work up first, but yeah, I've got so many projects. So many projects. Right off the top of my head, I like this design best, I think, of the 3. But I like this color the best. I'm itching to start this one. So this would be my choice, I think. Let me know what your choice is. Which of these 3 would you think I would start first? Now remember, I'm not starting anything right away because I've got 5 or 6 or 10, 12, 15 projects already in the works, which I'm going to get through once I get this started and done. But of these 3, which one do you like best? See y'all later. Bye-bye.